For learning objective 2.5, we're going to go over how to calculate the relative frequency distribution. All it is a frequency distribution that has one additional column with the relative frequency. And the relative frequency, if you recall, is basically the proportion of the total number of observations in each class. And it really is a percent in decimal form. So in order to calculate it, again, this is easy. We just take the frequency divided by the total, which is 24, and we get our value. Where's my calculator here? 3 divided by 24 gives us 0.125. And then we do 10 divided by 24, which we can do that in our head, or you can use your calculator, and I will show you how. So that gives us, let's just take a look at this here. It gives us 0.41666 repeating. Obviously, we don't want to use this whole fraction, and you've seen me do in a couple other previous videos is I simply round. So I'm going to round this to 0.417. Next, we've got 6 divided by 24. Two divided by 24. So again, we're going to be rounding, so we're going to round down this time, so 0.083. And then 3 divided by 24 equals 0.125. So just like we did in this column with the total, we are also going to add up all of our relative frequencies. We are looking for the value to be 1. And we get a value of 1, which is excellent because we want to make sure we are using 100% of the data. And that's what that tells us, is that we have used 100% of our data. And that is how you do the relative frequency.